Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Vesta 67's workshop. Welcome to issue 106 of Build the Batmobile from the classic 1966 TV series Batman, brought to you by our good old pals over at Fanhome. Now if you'd like to grab this and build this 1/8 scale car along with me, and who wouldn't, head over to their website. There's a clickable link in the description below. Pop, and you too can be building this wonderful 1/8 scale car. Right, Batman the TV show, the foggiest notion. This is where Batman and Robin are still in London. The return of Bruce Wayne is in the great Batman comics there. Batman Year by Year, Part 1, is the year 2021. And there's loads of blurbage there about what's going on in that comic. Continuation there of the 21 comic there. Batman and Catwoman. And then this is our car parts. We got the front, we're going to fit the front windshield to the front body of the Batmobile. This is the part we got today. And we need to go right the way back to issue 4 when we had the windscreen. Grab that with it surround fitted. I've got mine in a safe box just to my left there. So grab that and we're going to be fitting that to this front body panel, okay? And that's what we're going to end up with, the windshield and the body panel started. And then obviously at the end of that, we'll put that safely away so that we don't scratch it, and then we'll keep that for future issues. Okay, that's that magazine done. So we'll put that to one side, and when we come back, we'll fit the parts together, folks, okay? Right, we've got the front body shell, and we're going to be fitting the windscreen. But kept that in there for a long time, so let's pop that out. And we want the front part of the body shell, folks, and that's what we're going to be doing, fitting the windscreen today, and that's what we're going to end up with at the end. So we're doing a lot on the front end this week. That's the focus. So the next few issues are going to be spent working on this. Issue 106, folks. 3, 4 of those. Right. Grab a bit of oil. Like so. Pop. Let's have a look at this. I want to line that up somewhat like so. Bink, which gives a resounding clink as she lines up, folks. So, I reckon one in there. Again, don't over tighten this because it is clear, and if it cracks, I can imagine it would crack right up the middle of the windscreen, and that'll only end in bat tears. Gently does it. I've been looking forward to this stage, but I've also feared it for some reason. Probably because for over a year I've kept this windscreen safely protected. And I thought the one time it's going to go Pete Tong is when I'm assembling it. And I already want to do Batmobile noises. I need to get out more. Like so. Gently does it. And that's that one. By powers of deduction, that leaves that last screw there. Like that. And that should be the windscreen done. Look at that. Oh, done. She looks sexy. Oh yeah, she certainly does. Just go around and check your work, which it seems okay. Just want to line that front one up a bit better. That. Look at that, folks. Oh, whoa, and it's sexy bit of grillage. Ooh. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So that's where we're going to leave that issue today, folks. Got the front end of the Batmobile. Now we're going to be doing quite a bit of assembly on this over the next few issues. So this is what we're going to be working on. And then once this has got itself up to a certain stage, it will then get married onto the rest of the body shell, folks. So don't forget, if you'd like to grab one of these yourself and build along with me, pop over to the Fanhome website. There's a clickable link in the description below. Pop. And you too can be building this 1/8 scale Partwork. Also, to help me out, if you can just click the little festa and subscribe to me channel, folks. It really helps the channel grow. Surprising how many people watch that aren't subscribers. It is free, folks. Costs you nothing. But it really helps me grow, and I'd massively appreciate it. Whilst you're there, give the bell a ring, select all to be notified of upcoming and future content. In the meantime, thanks so much for coming in and keeping me company. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Remember to like and hype the video. Stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now.